There's another name that's been doing the rounds in this particular case, and that is of Sandeep Singh. He claims to be a friend of Sushant Singh Rajput. That, however, has been countered by several others. He's now broken his silence for the first time since his name came to the fore. Sandeep, who claims to be the friend of Sushant, was the first one to reach his residence on June 14th. He was also questioned by the CBI on Saturday. Sandeep, meanwhile, posted a series of screenshots of his chats with Sushant Singh Rajput and his sister Meetu Singh to support his claim of being Sushant's friend. Sandeep posted several screenshots of the conversations with Sushant from 2016 and 2018, where Sushant calls him his brother and also invited him for a party. In one of the WhatsApp conversations with Sandeep, Sushant's sister Meetu is asking him about the payment of ambulance driver who took Sushant's body. Sandeep replies saying he's already made the payment. This even as Meetu denies having ever known Sandeep.
My first question to you is, Sandeep, and thank you for talking to India Today, that the latest issue is that it was about the ambulance that had been contacted via your call records on 14 June, which is understandable. Why did you again call on 16th June? And then what is this issue of payment that has come from the latest WhatsApp chats to the sister of Sushant as well? Clear your version here right now. Why did you call the ambulance on 16 June? Did you pay them? Did somebody else pay and you took the credit? Sandeep.
Okay. Thank you, Pooja. Pooja, the thing is, I'll be very honest to you. The ambulance person had called me for their payment because my number was with the police person and the ambulance person asked whom should I take the payment from. Then the police might have given my number at the Cooper hospital and then the ambulance person called me. Once he called me, I picked up the call and he said I am the ambulance guy, I need my payment. So, but obvious, he's been asking only for the payment, nothing else, because it's their job. So, once he asked me, I said the 14th and the 15th, I couldn't pay. And the situation was at that time that I can't ask the family to pay it. I'm also a friend. I'm standing by them when nobody was standing there from the industry or from his friends. But on the 16th, again, he called me for the payment, but on the 15th, there was a funeral. So I couldn't meet and pay him. Then I connected him to my person, Deepak Sahu, who made the payment of 8,000 to Akshay. And the payment was clear. That's why he had to make and I had to speak 2 to 3 times or 4 times, whatever.
So that is the only reason
I never knew that this small issue can become such a big issue. What else the reason can be, Pooja ji? What else?
Okay.
You tell me.
Okay. So you're clearing your version because
you tell me one thing. When I went on the 14th June no, absolutely. But when I went on the 14th June to Sushant's place after hearing the news, I thought there will be many people from the industry and his friends for last 35 years. They will come there. But when I went there, I saw nobody. And now everybody tells me you were a fool to go because everybody who is intelligent and sharp, they did not go because they wanted to save their career. They wanted to be very, they wanted to save their image. So does that mean that when I go for the funeral, I have to make sure that how is my shirt, how is my body language? I should not show thumbs up. My eyes should be teary.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.